Hello everyone, I'm Kahati Veronica, or just call me Veronica Humala for short. So for today's video, or for today's vlog, ay gagawa tayo ng vegetable salad. Of course, hindi mawala yung ating mga green leaves. Meron din tayong parsley, meron din tayong lettuce, meron din tayong, syempre, unsa ni siya. Ano to? This is alubari for short. Na yung ating salad. So, simple lang po yung ating salad for today. So, ito lang po yung laman yan. Try! May lettuce yan, parsley, mint, carrot, cucumber, bell pepper, red and green, at saka spinach. Same lang po yan ito. Thank you so much!